5 Best Quick and Easy Recipe Ideas. Discover the magic of one-pan lemon garlic shrimp with asparagus, a delightful dish ready in under 20 minutes. Savor creamy tomato pasta with burst cherry tomatoes, where roasted tomatoes meld into a luscious sauce, topped with basil and parmesan. Experience the convenience and taste of sheet pan fajitas, a healthier takeout alternative, customizable with your favorite proteins and toppings. Indulge in the simplicity of 10-minute pesto chicken caprese, where pan-fried chicken meets the freshness of pesto, mozzarella, and tomatoes. Try the hearty black bean burgers, a vegetarian delight combining black beans, corn, and spices, perfect for grilling or pan-frying. Each recipe promises a quick, easy, and flavorful solution to mealtime, suitable for any day of the week. Join us in exploring these 5 best quick and easy recipe ideas, guaranteed to elevate your cooking game.